Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, good morning,
ma'am.
children. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays. And before holidays, we started one new topic, that is reciprocals. Do you remember?
Yes, reciprocals of
Okay.
fractions.
Who can tell me? Raise your hand. What is reciprocal? You understand from that? Yes, Gautam. Okay.
Ma'am, reciprocal means changing the denominator and numerator.
Numerator. So, reciprocals, we can exchange the denominator and numerator. So, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. Exchange the numerator and denominator. And also, children, when you multiply a number and its reciprocal, what will be the product?
1.
1. I think last class I have shown you one video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do you remember? The product
Yes,
of
ma'am.
a number, product of a number and its reciprocal will be 1. When you multiply a number and its fraction, the product will be 1. So I want to write 5 as a fraction. How can I write, Devak? I want to write a number as a fraction, 5, number 5.
1 by 5.
I'm not asking reciprocal. I'm not asking reciprocal. I want to just write 5
5
as
by 1.
5 by 1. Very good. So, children, any number can be written as 5 or any number by 1. The denominator as 1. Okay, any number can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. Okay, then what is the reciprocal of 1?
1 itself.
1 itself. Okay, so we have discussed in the last class, reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. What about the reciprocal of 0?
Not exist.
Not, it does not exist.
Not
Oh,
exist.
okay, exist. Because you know 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 0 by 1
But
is
we cannot do
0.
1 by 0.
But 1 by 0 is not possible. 1 by 0 is not, it is meaningless. So it does not exist. So this much we have discussed. Okay. So children, I will write 2-3 questions. Can you tell me the answer? What is, 1 minute, okay.
Man, do you need to write in workbook?
No need. Workbook later. Okay.
In
So
notebook?
what is the children? You had to tell me the reciprocals of reciprocals. You have to tell me the reciprocal of 5, 2 by 7, 4 by 9. Okay. Now, Richard, can you tell me the reciprocal of 5? So before that, I told you 5 can be written as 5 by 1. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. The denominator as 1. Now tell me, what is the reciprocal of 5?
5.
Huh?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So the answer is reciprocal. Reciprocal is 1 by 5. So when you do the product, what's the answer?
Mama, 5 by 5.
Huh? 5 by 5. So or you can do cross like this. Then that is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Okay. So what is, Alok, can you tell me the reciprocal of 2 by 7? Reciprocal of 2 by 7. Are you speaking? It's not audible. It's not audible. Okay. Now, Chris, can you tell me? Reciprocal of 2 by 7.
7 by 2.
Very good. 7 by 2. Exchange the denominator and numerator. Okay. When you flip like this, 7 by 2. Okay. What's that, Harsha? What is the reciprocal of 4 by 9? 9 by 4. So that is
4.
Reciprocal. So children, you know what is a reciprocal? It's when you exchange the numerator and denominator, and when you multiply a number or a fraction by its reciprocal, the product will be 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1, and 0, there is no reciprocal. Okay, now children, to divide fractions means, so in what we learned, addition, subtraction, multiplication of fractions. Now in this chapter we will also learn division of fractions. Okay, division of fractions. So how we can divide? Please listen carefully. To divide means we will multiply with reciprocals. I will show you. I want to divide a fraction. Division
we
of,
cannot see the screen. Ma'am, you have to share the screen.
okay, okay. It's okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Division of fractions. So children, what is the division of fraction? What we will do? We have one. We will do the reciprocal. We will find the reciprocal and multiply. Division of fractions we are going to learn. So I want to divide 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. This is
Ma'am,
the
it is a
question.
new method. Ma'am, it is a new method. Division of fraction is a new method of.
Division of fraction we are going to learn new
Ma'am,
term. Yes.
can I tell?
First let me okay. Yes, what we'll do? Children, please listen carefully. Okay.
When 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3 and we will divide 1 and we will multiply 1 by 5.
So children, okay. All the children, please tell me here. Okay, Agnay, can you tell me which is the dividend and which is the divisor? Which is the dividend here? Which number we are going to divide?
1 by 5.
So children, as usual, you know which number we are going to divide, that is dividend, and the second number, that is divisor. So children, what we are going to do is we will change this division. What we will do? We will do multiply with reciprocal of the divisor. Divisor is 3 by 4. Reciprocal of divisor. What we will do? Then multiply. So dividend, there is no change. What we have to do? Multiply with reciprocal of the divisor. Now it's easy.
1 by 5 will be 1 by 5 will be 5 by 1, right?
Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. I told you dividend, there is no change. We are not finding the reciprocal of dividend. Okay. Division of a fraction or a division of a number. What we will do? Dividend and divisor is there. But we will not change the dividend. Divisor, we will take the reciprocal and we will do, instead of division, we will do multiply. When we do with examples, you will understand. So dividend, that is the first number. That there is no change. The second number only, we will take the reciprocal. Then we will do multiply. Okay. Understood, children? So we will do with the example here. So what's the answer here? 1 into, we already learned this. 1 by 5 into. So we will
4 by 15.
We will multiply the numerators. 1 into 4, 4. 5 into 3, 15. There is no common factors to divide. So what we will do? We will just multiply. We will just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So children, 1 into 4, 4. 5 into 3, 15. Can we divide this into lowest terms?
No.
No, because 4 and 15, there is no common factors to divide. Yes, because there's LC. Highest common factor will be 1. Common factor.
We should find the reciprocal of 4 by 15.
No need. That is the answer. 4 by 15 is the answer. What we have to do? Only take the reciprocal of divisor and multiply. And what we will get after multiplication, that is the answer. There is nothing to do with the answer now. Okay, I will show you some examples, then you will understand.
Ma'am, then we need to divide 1 by 5 and 4 by 15. We need to divide.
Only this much we have to do. Just take the multiplication with reciprocal of divisor. We will do examples, then you will understand. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
then no need to divide.
no need to divide. That division is what we are doing with multiply with the reciprocal of divisor. Understood? So children, we are going to divide fraction by a number. So all the children, please listen carefully. What we are going to do now, divide a number by a fraction. For example, divide a number by, I'm going to divide 15 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by a fraction. I'm going to take, I can take any fraction, but I'm going to take 1 by 3. So here, first step, what will I do? I will write this 15 as a fraction. Can you tell this 15 as a fraction? 15 by 1 divided by 1 by 3. So children, what I told you, what we have to do here, we have to take this division into multiply and take the reciprocal of the divisor. So 15 by 1, there is no change. 1 by 3, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. Now we can multiply. Multiply the numerators. 15 into 3, 45.
45.
By 1 into 1, 1. So what's the answer? 45 by 1 means what?
45.
45.
45.
Okay, so children, here, if one number is one number and one fraction, what we will do? First thing, we will make it as a fraction. Any number can be written as fraction. How we can make? By writing the denominator 1.
Ma'am, can we make any number reciprocal in 2?
Reciprocal.
Ma'am, in these two fractions, when we get, can we make either one the reciprocal?
No, no. That's what I told. This is dividend. This is divisor. What we have to do? Take the reciprocal of divisor only. Take the reciprocal of divisor, and after taking the reciprocal, division becomes multiply. Then just write that. Okay. Dividend will be the same. Here 15, that is a fraction. It's a fraction with the denominator 1. We are just writing. We are not taken any. What we have taken here, instead of division, we will take multiply. We will find only the reciprocal of the divisor. 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. And when you multiply 15 into 3, 45 by 1. 45 by 1, no need to take now any reciprocal. 45 by 1 means the answer is 45. So we will do more examples, then you will understand. Okay. Now, 1 minute.
Ma'am, if a number,
I will take another examples, then you will understand. Now, one number and one fraction. Okay, Angelina, tell me, how can I write 75 as a fraction?
has 75 by 1.
Okay. So the question changes to 75 by 1. Instead of, first I will write the question
Divide
again.
into,
This division will become into. What about the dividend?
reciprocal.
No. 75 by 1, the same, right? The same. This division becomes multiply.
Multiplication.
What about this divisor?
5 by 3. 5 by
5
3.
by 3. Only change the divisor. Take the reciprocal. Now what we have to do, children? As usual, multiply. Multiply fractions we have already studied. We can either multiply the numerators or we can use cutting method. 75 and 3. Can we take
Yes,
some
ma'am.
common factors and divide? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Divide by 3. Is it possible? 3
Yes.
divided by 3 is 1. 75. Tell me how.
20,
2 3s are 6.
23.
15. 15 divided by 3. It's 25. Yes? Is it 23 or 25?
25, 25.
If you have doubt, we can divide 75 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 5. 5 3s are 15. So here the answer is 25. Okay. So children, we have to do here 75 becomes here 25. So what is remaining here? 25 and 5. 1 into 1. So what is 25 into 5?
120.
125
By 1. 125 by 1. Okay. What is what?
125. It is 125. Answer is 125.
Okay. Next one. I'm going to give you two fractions.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, if it was an improper fraction and number, how we will do it? Same step we will
Same steps. There is no problem with the proper or improper, nothing. What do you have to do? You have to take the reciprocal of divisor. Only that much. And multiply. Okay. Take the reciprocal of divisor and multiply. So I have given you one number and a fraction. So first step, what we have to do, you have to write the number as a fraction. How we can write the number as a fraction? We have to write the denominator as 1. Then take the, instead of divide, what we will do? Multiply. Take the reciprocal of divisor. Okay. Now I will give you another question here. Okay. So children, here I'm going to give you another question like this. 1 by 3 divided by 67. So Anandesh, can you tell me what first we have to do? This is a question.
Ma'am, 1 by 3 divided by 67.
First step, what we have to do? First step.
We should make 67 a fraction.
Very good. Before writing it as a reciprocal, we should write this as a fraction. Okay, very good. 1 by 3 divided by 67 by 1. Okay, then next what we...
Now we should make the divisor its reciprocal.
Reciprocal. And what about this division will become?
We should make it, we should multiply.
And tell me the reciprocal of the divisor.
1 by 67.
Very good. 1 by 67. Okay, children. So here the divisor is a number. So first step is whether the divisor or dividend the number. What the first step, you have to write it as a fraction with a denominator 1. Then the next step, write multiply, then do the reciprocal. Write the reciprocal. Okay, so what's that? 1 into 1, 1. Multiply 67 into 3 and tell me.
1 by 201.
101.
201. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
201. So children, so like this, one fraction and one number, what is the first step? Whether the number is the first number or the number is second, no problem. What you have to do? First write the number as a fraction. Okay, write the number as a fraction. Then next step, what you have to do? You have to, instead of divide, you have to write the symbol multiply and take the reciprocal of divisor. Understood? Okay. So we will do. Okay. It's okay now. Okay. So children, Adil, can you read the question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question?
1 by 3 divided by 1 by 21.
1 by 3 divided by. Children, can you please mute your audio? My sound is echoing. Like, if any problem with the network, please mute. All others, please mute. Okay. Okay, Adil. So what is the first step? Here both are.
Ma'am, we should put the division into multiplication.
Okay. So here the 1 by.
And we should find the ma'am, we should then write 21 by 1.
Okay. 21 by 1. Then
Ma'am, 3 and 21 cut and make 7.
and 21 can be. Then 7. Okay, let me see from where. Okay, let me see where I will mute.
Ma'am, echoes from Adil.
Okay, so let me see. I will mute everyone. Then, is it okay now? Can you show me thumbs up? Is there no echo? Okay. So I will unmute you. Okay, so children, what we are learning now? Division of fractions. So what we had to do? First step. Yes, Anandesh. What we had to do?
We should,
number.
if the number is a whole number, we should make it a fraction.
Fraction. So, for example, 5 I have to write as a fraction. What we have to do? How we can write 5 as a fraction? 5 by 1. Very good. Okay, 5 by 1. So, if a number is given, what first step we have to write the number as a fraction. So, 5 by 1. Okay, then next step what we have to do? Instead of divide,
We should, instead of division, we should do multiplication.
multiply
And we should change
with
divisor.
reciprocal.
And we should change the divisor into its reciprocal.
Divisor, we have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. So all the children, please take out this question in your rough book. Find out 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So children, we are finding here two fraction. Two fraction is given. We have to divide 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, Isha, can you please tell me what we have to do here? Yes, Isha?
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to find the reciprocal of 2 by 3.
2 by 3. So what this division will become?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. Can you tell me the reciprocal of divisor 2 by 3?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay, multiply and tell me now. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator. What is 3 into 3?
9.
9. 5 2s are?
10.
10. So 9 by 10. Okay. Children, did you get the answer? 9 by 10. Yes? Can you raise your hand? Okay. Okay, children, please take out your math workbook. Math workbook, page number 49. Page number 49. Page number 49. Okay, Agni, can you tell me how many questions over? We started this topic before the exam, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. How many questions completed?
12 questions.
Huh?
12 questions.
5 questions. Okay. So we are going to start with the question number 6. Can you read?
And 12 questions.
12. Find the multiplicative inverse of 3. That is
3.
question number 12. That we
Yes.
finished. So what's the answer of question number 12?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. So can you read question number 13?
Find the reciprocals of A 3 by 4, B 1 by 6.
Find the reciprocals of 3 by 4 and 1 by 6.
1
Okay.
and 1 by 6.
So question number 13. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? So tell me the answer.
4 by 3.
4 by 3. So children, you can write the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is the reciprocal of. So from question number 13, you have to write short steps. Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam. You have something to ask? There is Gautam. Okay, so what is that? From question number 13, you have to write the steps. So the reciprocal of
3 by 4 is 4 by 3.
3 by 4 is 4 by
By
3.
3.
The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now question number B. Okay, Angelina. Can you read question number B, Angelina? That is a mixed fraction. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So first what we have to do?
We should make it
Improper.
improper.
Okay. So 1 and 1 by 6. First we have to write. Yes, multiply and tell me the improper fraction.
7 by 6.
7 by 6. So 1 into 6. 6 plus 1. 7 by 6. Now we have to find the reciprocal of 7 by 6. So what's the answer?
6 by 7.
6 by
7.
7. So children, you can write question number B. The reciprocal of reciprocal of 7 by 6 is 6 by 7. So here reciprocals, we are just exchanging the numerator and denominator.
Yeah, ma'am.
So like this mixed fraction, what we have to do? First, we have to convert that into improper fraction. After converting to improper fraction only, we have to find its reciprocal. Okay. Okay. Now, Adinath don't have the book. Yes. Yes, Devak. Can you read the next question?
Find the reciprocals of A 2 by
2 and
2 by 7.
2 and
2 by 7.
2 by 7. Yes. You can mute. So what we had to do first, Devak?
Make it improper.
Make it improper. Okay, go. Yes, Gautam, can you on your video?
Oh, ma'am, you have
Check now. Check now.
Yeah, no.
Okay. So you have to make it improper fraction. Okay. So question number 14. Question number 14. The question is 2 and 2 by 7. So what is the improper fraction? Improper fraction.
16 by 7.
So we have 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. Now find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of, yes, Chris Jo, can you say the reciprocal of 16 by 7? Yes.
7 by 16.
So the next step we had to write the reciprocal of this is like short answer question. That's why we started writing the steps. The reciprocal of 16 by 7 is 7 by 16. 7 by 16. Question number B. Rohit, can you read question number B? Rohit.
Question. They find the reciprocal of 9 by 8.
8. 9 by 8. There is no need to make it improper fraction because it is already given as a fraction. So the reciprocal of 9 by 8 is, tell me the answer.
8 by 9.
8 by 9. Very good. The reciprocal of 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. Anthony, question number 15. Can you read, Anthony?
Ma'am, my 12th question answer is 1 by 3, right?
Yes. 1 by 3.
Okay.
Okay. Can you read 15th one?
15th one. Okay. Find the multiplicative inverse of 4 and 1 by 9. B, 3 and 2 by 7. C, 24, 1 by 3. D, 6 and 4 by 5.
Okay. So children, yeah, you had to do this now alone. All of you. Question number 15. After 2 minutes, we will discuss the answers. What we had to do? The improper fraction is, write the improper fraction, then write the multiplicative inverse. Yes, Gautam? You have any doubt?
No.
No, finished?
Yes.
Yes, wait. Okay. So Anthony, tell me the answer of question number A. Yes. Yes, children, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Gautam. What's the first one? What we had to write the step? The improper fraction. The question number A is 4 and 1 by
1
9.
by 9.
So tell me the improper fraction. Improper fraction.
37 by 9.
Improper fraction.
37 by 9.
37. 9 into 4, 36 plus 1, that is 37 by 9. Okay. Tell me the multiplicative inverse.
9 by 7.
So we know multiplicative inverse is the same. That is reciprocal and multiplicative inverse, they are same. So multiplicative inverse is 9 by 37. Okay. Very good. Children, I hope all of you got correct answer. Multiplicative inverse of 37 by 9 is 9 by 37.
By 37.
Okay. Next one, question number B, Manu. What's the question? Okay, Agne, can you read, Agne? Question number B.
3, 2 by 7.
3 and 2 by 7. The question is 3 and 2 by 7. So tell me the improper fraction.
23 by 7.
Improper fraction.
23 by 7.
7 into 3 is 21 plus 2, 23. Yes, correct answer 23 by 7. So what is the multiplicative inverse?
7 by 23.
Multiplicative inverse of 23 by 7 is
7 by 23.
inverse of 23 by 7 is 7 by
7 by 23.
23. Okay, very good. So children, I hope all of you got these answers. So can you tell me question number C? What's the answer, Chinmay? So like this, you have to write question number C and D, the steps. Okay, Chinmay, can you unmute? Your
Ma'am,
audio is
I'm
okay
doing.
now? Okay. Wait, Gautam. Yes, Chinmay? It's not audible.
Ma'am, he did not finish.
Okay. Yes, Anthony, can you say the answer of question number C?
Ma'am, I'm not finished.
Not finished. Okay.
Am I finished?
1 minute. Okay. Question number C and D. You can finish it and tell me the answers. Here. Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number C.
Ma'am, 3 by
Proper
7.
fraction.
3 by 73.
Ma'am, improper fraction is 73 by 3 and
3 by
multiplied
73.
inverse it is 3 by 73.
Okay, very good. So, children, the improper fraction is 73 by 3 and its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is 3 by 73. Okay, how many got this answer? Can you raise your hand? Some children, they are writing. Okay, you have to write the steps. Okay, very good. Devak, can you say the last answer? Question number D.
5 by 34.
So before that, tell me what is the improper fraction?
34 by 5.
34 by 5 and its reciprocal is
5 by 34.
5 by 34. Okay, very good. So children, like this, if we have the mixed fraction, first what we had to do, you had to convert that into improper fraction, then find out the reciprocal. So reciprocal and multiplicative inverse also they are same. Okay, so what's the answer of question number A? 9 by 37. Question number B, 7 by 23. Question number C, 3 by 73. Question number D, 5 by 34. Can you tell me how many got all these 4 questions correct? Yes. Okay, children. So we are going to wind up the class now. So we have learned today the reciprocal. Okay, in the next class, we will do more problems with division of fractions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye.